just kind of casually walking into the Osaka Dome, and then suddenly you look up and oh my god, it's a stupendous place. I mean, outrageously beautiful and vast. You wonder how we could possibly fill it. Doesn't seem possible. It's beautiful. And here's our stage. I'll show you some of that later. But it's amazing. I'm wandering out to do some work on our video content for my solo, where I try to tell a story every night of some kind. This place, wow. So this is our rig in setup position. We do all the calibrations and special content, as you can see. This is no longer a secret. It's quite an amazing rig of a suitable size and scale to fill this extraordinary place. And back here is the hub of all the out front technology, sound and lights, video, lasers, you name it, is here. These are the guys, these are the boffins. This is the creative department. Hey. How it looks right now in the Osaka Dome after sound check. We did a lot of work in this sound check, and I think addressed a lot of the problems that we had, and I think it will be a lot better. We're going to feel better, which means everyone else will feel better. And yeah, sound checks are kind of a gift from God, really, because you can do so much. You can polish things that didn't quite happen the night before. You can get new ideas in. You can change the order. We've changed some orders. And yeah, a few little changes which I think will make a whole lot of difference. And a few configuration things too. I think this is going to feel really good. Even spotlight configurations they've managed to change. Our crew are the best in the world. So hope you all have a great time tonight. God bless.